Hello, in this video you will learn how to connect the booking.com rate plans. We go to connectivity, channels, and you can see here CultBooking and Google Meta Search, they are connected already. So we click here on the connected. Once it's loading, we click on the pending tab. We have the double room standard rate, so we match it with the standard rate. We do the same thing for the 24 hours rate, and now we do the single room. We connect it from here with the rate plans on the right side. This is from booking.com and this is on in our system. And here you connect this. You can also have a look to see if everything is matching correctly. If double room it's with double room, or it's single room it's with single room. You can deselect and make more settings, and you hit the connect button. Once you have connected, there's no more pending plans, nothing else to connect. You click on connected, and here is the end result. You see how it looks like. And now you can click on the mirror. This is loading, and now it shows the data transmission, how many rooms we send and what's the price for each room category and each rate plan. It may work also here with this and selector, and then you can say single double room, both the two rates, and you see here the price difference also to compare. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.